Hey, are you want to create such types of layout and such types of viewport? So please don't try to skip this video and please try to watch till it end, and I'm sure the video will go informative and best for you. So guys, let's start. Hey, welcome back again. I'm Ake here, and everywhere you are watching Ake Engineering Tech. And so guys, let's see. Here I have to drawing and I'm going to create layout. So directly you can choose layout from here, the lower left corner. Here layout 1, layout 2, and I want to create more layout, then you can create easily. Here this is the plus icon for the more layout. See this, there is a new layout. Okay, and directly if you want to create directly, then see this, if you take cursor over here and you have the two option, layout first and layout second, and similarly over here, and then layout 1 I have already created that, and now I'm going to create layout 2. So guys, please, I'm again telling to you, please don't try to skip. This video will gonna so informative for you. So I'm going to start this layout 2. Okay, and now I'm taking command, and this is our viewport, and directly it's total viewport. If you want to create one by one, which I have done, see this is I have done this in layout 1. Okay, and similarly if you want to create, then I'm going to again layout 2, and I'm going to delete this. Okay, I'm going to delete, press E and enter. Okay, then I'm going to create more viewports, so I'm going to use command mview, type mview and press enter. After that, take viewport corner. I'm going to take upper corner here, and next I'm going to take lower corner just over here. Okay, and see this, I have this drawing, and if you want a particular drawing, and if you want to enter in this particular viewport, so you can use command ms and press enter. This is the model space, and see this, you can do anything in this particular drawing. Okay, and this is the way guys. And another way, let us skip. I'm going to exit from this. Okay, so I have exit. If you zoom, then totally zoom. Okay, it will gonna total zoom. So this one of the way I have told to you. If you press ms, press enter, then you gonna enter in this viewport. Okay, and if you press double click in this viewport, you also go enter in the viewport. This is the two way how to enter this. Okay, now I'm going to select this particular object by using the zoom command, Z plus enter, and I'm going to select this object over here. I'm going to select this object. Okay, and I have selected this object particular for this viewport only. And now how I exit from this particular viewport? So now use paper space PS and press enter, and I have exit. And finally what I have to do, I have to do lock this viewport. How I lock this? And select this viewport, and after that MO for the properties and press enter. Here we have the property palette, and then go to the miscellaneous properties. This is the miscellaneous property. Here you see this is the lock, display lock, and press over here and choose S. Okay, and this is locked. Similarly which I have done, let's practice again. View, skip it, view, sorry, skip it. Okay, now Now I'm taking again M view and I'm choosing the other viewport over here similarly, which I have done. Okay, next I have done, and I'm going to MS model space and press enter. After I'm using this zoom command similarly, which I've done, and I'm taking now this object over here only. So I'm picking here this cursor, and I'm choosing this only. And see this, I have chosen, and for this particular I'm going to eject from this viewport, type PS, press enter. I have ejected, and I'm going to lock to select it and go to here miscellaneous property, and after that miscellaneous property and choose their display locked. I'm choosing here is okay for the lock. And similarly, if you want to do, then again I'm going to use MB and press enter, and I'm going to here taking same, okay, same for the viewport to another viewport. Okay, I'm going to press, and now I'm going to choose this particular object, and see this, I'm going to again model space for the entering this viewport, particular viewport, and I'm going to zoom this and using pan command, and press enter, and after that I'm taking it over here, and again I'm taking zoom command, and I'm going to select this particular object. Okay, so I have selected this, and I'm going to eject paper space PS and press enter. I have eject, and I'm going to lock again, same process from over here. I'm going to choose here miscellaneous property is okay, and now I'm going to last for that all object. I'm going to taking again view, okay, and this, and see this, not have to do anything, just skip from this model space, paper space, not have to do, just lock it, go to the miscellaneous property. First you have to select it and go to the miscellaneous property, and after that you have to again choose same display lock, okay, and press over here. Thank you, and I'm going to close it. So there, this is the way how I create this layout. Okay, see this is the layout 1, layout 2, and this is the way how I create this layout, and I'm going to save over here. Thank you so much, Gap, for this. Watch this video till at the end.